HPP was built to connect farmers to the technology they need to be profitable in the hemp industry. Through the use of cutting-edge harvest and drying techniques, HPP can save millions of pounds of hemp that might otherwise be lost to wind, weather, and mold. Cleaning and separating the plant material to gain the highest value is the absolute key to being profitable in the hemp industry. After drying, bales are pulled from dry indoor storage to be processed over time without the pressure of incoming weather or growing mold. The system then breaks the plant down into its three main components to be separated into stalks, seeds, and flower. HPP can engineer the right system to fit every customer's needs without overspending on time or money. We take that material and clean it and separate it to gain the highest value, because that's the key to being profitable in the hemp industry. This industry is quickly becoming one that requires efficiency and no lost pieces. This system will process hundreds of tons of material a week in its largest form. We can do systems up to 15,000 pounds an hour. This is truly a scalable solution for any size operator, from a beginning grower needing toll processing to a large-scale ag operation that wants to be in total control of their quality and value from beginning to end. In our process, the system's going to break the plant down into its three main components to be separated into stalks, seeds, and flower. Harvested and dried hemp is fed into a rotary drum screener. Material that's screened off passes through a multi-aspirator to separate seeds from flower using air. The larger material that passes through the rotary drum screener feeds directly into a machine we call a bud buster. The bud buster strips remaining buds off the stalks and breaks them up, liberating any remaining seeds in those buds. And remaining sticks and seeds are discharged out the end of the machine. All of the good flower material from the multi-aspirator and the bud buster is lifted to a cyclone receiver for separation from the airstream. Process air then passes through the baghouse filter to capture and contain keef, essentially offering no loss of product through the separation process. We use industry-leading Allen Bradley electronics that allow for future automation and extreme reliability. All the fractions of the hemp plant are bagged, weighed, and tagged so that the process is easily documented and well controlled. All valuable materials captured to preserve the value that farmers work so hard to produce, without the seeds and stalks that extractors don't want.